guess it all began when I was growing up in South Louisiana. Grew up in a town called Lafayette, which is about 45 minutes or so from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And you wouldn't think that a barbecue obsession would begin in Louisiana. When you think of Louisiana, specifically South Louisiana, maybe you think of Cajun food. But a couple of barbecue restaurants that my dad took me to eat at there, Luther's Barbecue, some other local joints. And then my dad was the one that made chicken halves. You may have seen that video that I posted before. And that kind of piqued my interest. Well, I didn't get really serious about it, I'd say probably until the 2010s, somewhere around in there when the shows like all these barbecue shows were popular on TV, barbecue pit masters, those type of things. And I thought, shoot, man, I could do that. So I went out and it got me a charcoal grill. And man, let me tell you, I could not do it, at least not right away. It took some time, took some video watching, those type of things, and trial and error. Man, I've ruined barbecue just about any way you could think of ruining it. Perfect example. First ribs I ever did, I put the ribs on the grill and I just started slathering them with barbecue sauce. And as many of you know, you put barbecue sauce on ribs right away and you're going to burn them. And that's exactly what happened. Oh, man, they were awful. But luckily, through watching many videos, many TV shows, I kind of found a niche for it. And it kind of is what brought me to here. Why the YouTube channel? I don't know. You know, I've got the Kamado Joe and I've got the pit barrel cooker, which are the two that I use the most. I also have a Blackstone griddle. I have a big boiler for crawfish, those type of things. I have an old electric smoker that kind of started me out. But my wife, I kept talking to her about it, saying, I don't know if I should start this YouTube channel. I've kind of debated this for years. And my wife told me not too long ago, she's like, just do it. You know, you do it because you love it and you do it because your friends enjoy it. So that's the whole reason why I started this. And going with the bearded barbecue name, I mean, obviously, somebody asked me where the beard started from. You know, how did I start growing it? Well, the truth be told, there's not really a story to it, but there's kind of a story to it. My wife and I will celebrate our 1-year wedding anniversary on January the 29th. Well, when she and I started dating back in 2021, we were always laughing. And she said, you know, hey, don't ever shave the beard. That's just as advertised. That's how it's got to be. And I said, fine, I'm going to grow it to my knees. And she would laugh and say, hi, you better not do that. Well, long story short, I let the beard grow and grow to the length that it is now. I trim it up from time to time, but that's just kind of how it started. And so now it's just a part of me, and I just have accepted that at this point. So my little stepson, Maddox, that you've seen on previous videos, he's the 6-year-old. I trimmed it up really short one day, and he gave me this look like, who in the world are you? Don't ever do that again. So I'm afraid that the beard is here to stay. So the logo that you see for Bearded Barbecue and Adventures, the one with the LSU hat and the sunglasses and the beard, my other stepson, Michael, who's 15, designed that logo in class. And he was so excited, brought it home for me. I said, man, that is absolutely awesome. I'm going to use that. So that's the logo that I stuck with. So my other son, Carter, that's 16, he helps with some of the video editing and gives me ideas and things like that. So this has just become like one big family affair. So everybody's kind of chipping in. Maddox loves to be on camera. My wife, not so much. She does not like to be on camera. Maybe she'll get brave one day. But as you can see through videos, obviously I've worn the LSU hat. I've got the house divided flag behind me here. My wife grew up in the College Station area and born and raised, and I grew up in South Louisiana, so naturally our house is divided. I'm all LSU, she's all Texas A&M. However, when those two schools aren't playing each other, we cheer each other on. So that's kind of how it is. The channel itself is going to be primarily cooking videos, I would imagine, with some camping and adventures thrown in. I've got a 2023 Gladiator that I just got a few months ago. I absolutely love it. Been watching a ton of YouTube videos on Jeep Badge of Honor trails and things like that that I can go do. So I'll probably throw a few of those in just to kind of change it up a little bit and have some fun. So we love anything outdoors, and that's kind of how the channel is going to be focused, right? Um, and it's just a lot of fun. I've really enjoyed it. I didn't know that I would enjoy it as much as I have enjoyed it. I've already posted up a number of videos. I've got, I think, as of today, 33 subscribers, which isn't much, but hey, that's 33 more than I thought I'd have. So I appreciate each and every one of you, and I thank you for that. Future of the channel, we have a trip to Big Bend planned in March, and so that's going to be a lot of camping videos and a lot of off-road trails out in Big Bend. So we'll be able to see the Gladiator kind of in action doing its thing down there. So I'm looking forward to that. It'll be a lot of fun. But between now and then, lots of cooking. I've got a rib roast that I want to do, which is basically, if you know anything about rib roast, it's basically prime rib without the bone. So that'll be something fun to do. I'll probably do some pork butt for pulled pork sandwiches. They're just, the possibilities are unlimited. You can go and find anything at your local grocery store and throw it on the grill and experiment with it and have a little fun. So that's what I intend to do with the channel. And I've just been having a lot of fun here lately, playing around with it, doing some videos for y'all. And, that's pretty much it. That's all the video that I had really planned for today, was just kind of talk a little bit about how I got started doing this, what the future holds. And, I think as long as I continue to have fun and enjoy this, I'll probably continue to post some content because it's a neat little hobby to have. So with that being said, I appreciate every one of you that's watching the video. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And hey, if there's anything that you want to see me do in the future, comment below. I'd love to hear from you. I love it when I get comments. So please feel free to do that. But until next time, I'll see you behind the grill or behind the wheel.